Today, we are comparing two high-performance winter tires, the Pirelli P Zero Winter 2, launched in 2024, and the Hankook Winter cept evo3, introduced in 2021. Both tires cater to the high-performance segment, but how do they stack up in real-world conditions? Let's dive into the test results. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Pirelli P Zero Winter 2 set as the reference point at 100%. Starting with wet braking, the Pirelli stops 0.45 meters shorter than the Hankook. In wet handling, it extends its leads by completing the course 3.48 seconds faster. However, the Hankook performs slightly better in straight-line aquaplaning, resisting at a speed of 1 km per hour higher. Overall, the Pirelli dominates in wet conditions, prioritizing safety and control. On snow, the Pirelli brakes 0.77 meters shorter than the Hankook. It also accelerates faster, completing snow traction tests 0.47 seconds quicker. For snow handling, the Pirelli edges ahead, finishing the lap 0.79 seconds faster. Its performance in snow makes it clear leader in these conditions. On ice, the Pirelli stops 0.06 meters shorter in braking and accelerates 0.13 seconds faster in traction tests. Both tires deliver competitive ice performance, but the Pirelli's slight edge could make a big difference in critical situations. In dry braking, the Hankook narrowly leads, stopping 0.21 meters shorter. But the Pirelli fights back in dry handling, completing the lap 1.62 seconds faster. When it comes to noise, vibration and harshness, the Pirelli registers 2.1 decibels quieter than the Hankook, offering a noticeable quieter ride, while both tires score equally in comfort. In rolling resistance, both tires are nearly identical, with Pirelli measuring just a coefficient value of 0.03 lower than Hankook. This means both provide excellent efficiency for winter driving. In summary, the Pirelli P Zero Winter 2 stands out with superior results in wet, snow and ice conditions. On the other hand, the Hankook Winter cept evo3 holds its own in dry performance and remains a solid choice for value-driven drivers.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.